Now let's talk about how to make frequency chart, also called histogram, sometimes also called a distribution chart. In here I have Nasdaq Composite Index, and in column H I computed the month-over-month changes. Now I want to plot a histogram of those month-over-month changes. Before we actually make the plot, let's go to the menu item to see where it is. So you first go to data analysis, and under data analysis there's a option called histogram. Click OK. You see, in order to plot a histogram, you need the inputs, the number, and also what is called a bin range. We'll explain the bin range in a minute, and where are the labels and where do you want to put them. So you see we already have the numbers, the inputs, which is in column H. We don't have the bin yet, so let's make the bin. The bin basically, in what buckets do you want to put those data in? In order to do that, we need to manually make them. Before we actually make the bins, we need to know the range of the data. So let's first do some detective work here. I want to know the minimum of the data and the maximum of the data. So minimum of this bunch of number over 200 of them. Okay, so that's the minimum. And also I can quickly compute the maximum. So you can see the minimum is negative 771, and the max is pretty similar in the other direction, 756. Okay, so how about we do the following. The bin, we will start from negative 200 and go up by 100 all the way to 800. So this would cover, this bin range would cover all the data points. Now, having done that, we could go to data analysis again, click histogram. The bin range, I can, if we want the labels, let's include the first element, which is just the title. So H2 to H241. And where's the bin? Well, we just made it. The bins are in, I also include that label, K6 to K23. Let's choose label, and I just want output to be in the new worksheet. Also, it's important, we need a chart, not only the numbers. Let's see. After I click OK, there you have it. So it's not the most beautiful chart, but we blow up and see that's how frequent all those month-over-month changes occur. And you can look at the numbers and see, of course, the most frequent changes will happen around 0 and tapers off towards either end. That's how you plot histogram using the built-in capability.